Today I'll be guiding you how to log in into Charter.net account. Before that, make sure to watch the video till the end so that you won't make any mistakes during the process. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any latest updates from this channel. Now, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Start by opening any preferred browser of your choice, and on the top you can see the search bar where you need to click on it and type in www.charter.net. Once you have typed in, you need to press enter on the keyboard, and after that you'll be taken to this official website of Charter.net account where you need to click on the sign in button to get into the sign in page. Let's click on sign in button, and here you'll get access to this sign in page of Charter.net where you'll be required to enter your username. If you haven't created a username, you can click on this create a username link and easily create the username. Here you need to enter the username and the password in this another box. Once you have entered the password, if you want to stay sign in to this device, then you need to click on this small box. If you don't want, then you can untick mark it and click on the sign in button. In case if you forget your username or password, you can click on this forget username or password link and easily reset from there. Now let's click on this sign in button and you can easily sign in into your Charter.net account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hit the like button and comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.